Hey KK, it's your girl Jeremy again. Okay, so excuse me, I have a little condition that I like to call Asperger's disease, and I don't know how to control my erectile dysfunction. So please excuse the random diarrhea smeared in the back. You can't really see it because it's on the other side of the wall. Okay. Anyways, so in your video, you I'm gonna make a stupid face. Here I go. I'm gonna make an even stupider face. Stupider! I'm gonna make a stupider face. Okay, fine. Oh yeah. So back to what I was gonna say. Sorry, I got something in my throat. In your video, you told me to tell you what to do next. So this is what you should do. Okay, hold on. Let me get a little closer to the screen. Okay, this is what you have to do. Can you hear me? Okay. So let me get a little closer to the screen. A little closer. A little closer. Okay, let's go. Now let me cross my eyes. Let me cross my eyes. Let me cross my eyes.
Stop.
Okay. Shh. What I was gonna say was, you girls should film a video of you doing a dance. And you know what kind of dance?